Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to create number slicer in Power BI. So to create number slicer, we will go on the canvas of Power BI. We will activate the slicer from here and we will select quantity and drag it into the field. So you can see here the range of the quantity. It is between 1 to 40. The results displayed in this card, multi-row card, table is on the basis of 1 to 40. Now if we drag this to 10, the results which will be displayed in this card, rows and table will be according to the quantity 1 to 10. We can change the style of the slicer. So for this, we will go in Format, Slicer Settings. The style which is active is between 1 to 10. The other styles which are available are vertical list. So you can select, please display the result according to the quantity 1, 2, 3. The multiple selections of this tab can be done with the help of Control tab. Press Control 1, 2. So, so the results displayed here are the total of quantity 1, 2, and 3. This is a vertical list. It can be converted into tile 1, 2, 3. Again, multiple selections can be done with the help of Control button. Control on 1, 2, 3. So this is tile. Drop down menu. We can also have a drop down menu. Between this, we have already said less than or equal to 40, greater than equal to 1. So let's keep uh, between option on. Now activate the slicer header. It's a black color header. Let's change this to another color. Quantity is there, bold. Do we require a border? Yes, we require a border. So let's specify on all the four sides we require the border. Color. Color can be selected. Line width. Background. So we'll select the background. Keep pending icon as it is and go on values. In values, it's a black color that can also be changed. The size can be increased or decreased depending upon your requirement. Make it bold. Again, go in background and select another color. So you can have a color in this numbers. Okay. Now activate the slider. Color, which color slider you want. So the slider color can also be changed. Let's proceed to the general settings. Click on the general properties. By increasing this number, the height of the slicer will increase. By increasing this number, the width can be increased or decreased. Position. The slicer will shift on the right hand side. The slicer will move shift towards the bottom. Padding. By increasing this number, the white space on left hand side will increase. By increasing this number, the white space on right hand side will increase. This will increase on towards the bottom and on the top. Advanced options, keep as it is. Title, if title is necessary, activate it and you can write down the title here. Otherwise, switch it off. As soon as you activate title, the divider will be activated. This we have already discussed in my previous video. Kindly refer to it. Effects, background color. So let's select a background and we'll be selecting the light background. Done. Visual borders. Yes, we require a visual border with the rounded corners. We'll try to decrease this. Shadow, activate from here. So the shadow is outside and it is towards the bottom right. It can be changed. So these positions can be selected. So bottom left. So now the shadow is towards the bottom left. Header icons, keep as it is. Basically, header icons is related to the background, border, and icon of this filters on visuals, focus mode, and more options. Uh, so I'll change this for you, make it black, and icon brown. So normally we don't change this. If it is necessary, you can do it. Reset to default icons. Make sure all of them are on. Now you can see that if I scroll this, see the changes which are happening. So this was all about creating the number slicer in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.